Kia ora, my name's Rachel Wharenga and I'm from Ngāti Porou. I run the scanner over there just behind me. All the wood comes in and then gets put onto the scanner and we process it, and we make up the best value. I've been doing the scanner job for 2.5 years, but I think I've been here about 3.5. I was an outside kind of person. My father was a fencer, and it was just the kind of work we had been brought up around, and I had friends and family that worked in the forestry business, and they said to me there was good money, so I kind of went into it for the money side of it. But as I went along, I actually really enjoyed it, and to be out there with a whole bunch of men and smoke them on the skid is just funny.